Congratulations on making it this far in Course 4. Lesson 22 can be an extreme challenge, but all of the puzzles are solvable. Regardless of whether you can solve these with the least number of blocks or not, you need to code a sequence that works. If you see patterns, use them. But if you don't see the pattern, decompose the puzzle and at least write out a long sequence that would solve the puzzle. Then go back through looking for patterns with which to simplify your code. Open another tab and look back at other lessons as inspiration. This video will not show you the solutions, but I am willing to offer up a few hints and pointers to where to look in previous lessons. Spoiler alert! Pause now and try to complete the puzzles without hints first. Time for some hints. Puzzle 1. My hint for this one is that he is not going to take the most direct route at all. You may want to jot down on paper different routes, how far, which ways to turn, etc., to look for a predictably changing pattern. If you want to look back at other lessons for inspiration, I recommend Lesson 9. Puzzle 2. Think back to last year when we did those Plants vs. Zombies lessons, where we used a repeat until sunflower block. My other hint is that this involves a lot of conditional decision making. In fact, there might be some nesting of conditionals. If you go into code.org Express course, check out Lesson 14 for inspiration. Puzzle 3. My hints are that this is going to require a for loop related to nectars. You will want to use a conditional. And don't forget that you can move backwards in addition to forwards in some situations. For inspiration, look back at Lesson 20. Puzzle 4. There is definitely a predictably changing pattern going on with the honeys, so this is going to need a for loop. In fact, you might need to nest a for loop inside another for loop using two different counters. Puzzle 5. Even though this looks like a for loop situation, I'm going to recommend that you ignore how many honeys there are and use a while honey is greater than 0 loop somehow. Do the best you can to get the light green circles on these puzzles at a minimum. And bonus if you can solve it efficiently and earn the solid green bubble. Good luck!